Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new, so please consider subscribing it, and if you are the old one, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn about how to remove yourself from the ad manager if anyone has added you as friend and then give you the ad account access of their personal ad account. Earlier in my previous videos, I have explained that how to remove yourself from your client's business manager. That is a different thing. If you are having a business manager ID and your client also have a business manager ID, so you both can connect each other to work professionally. But sometimes what happened, people do not have their own business manager of Facebook. They have their personal ID, that is the profile ID, and from there they are running the ads for their business. What they do, they add you as their friend and then grant you the access of their personal ad account. Normally people do not know how to remove themselves from the personal ad account of your client or friend who has added you in their personal ad account rather than the Facebook business account. Let's begin today's video. For this, you have to log into your Facebook profile. Then on the left hand side menu, you see the ad manager. Open it in the new window. You need to remove yourself from this personal ad account. This is my personal ID and this is my personal ad account. It is not created through business manager of Facebook. Let's check how many ad accounts do I have in my ID. There are a lot of ad accounts, but it is categorized in the personal ID, Asma Akhlaq, and these are the two personal IDs. This person has added me in his personal ad account of Facebook, and these are professional ad accounts. So what I do, I will click on this account which I want to remove. It will open you your personal ad account overview window. It is like this. Now click on the left hand side this settings button. This will bring you in the ad account setup. Here you can see on the right hand side your personal ad account has been selected. Press the drop down menu and select the ad account. You can see that in this ad account setup I can view that I am added over here as advertiser and there are two other admins of this ad account. Today's video is about how to remove your personal profile ID ad account from other person who has added you in his own personal Facebook ID ads manager. So for that, click on remove user. You are about to remove this person from this ad account. Confirm it, and now this ad account has been removed. See, it is not anymore present over here. So in this way you can easily remove yourself from the personal ad account of any of your friend or client. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications on time. Subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.